The young one of hippo is blank. Option is A. Lamb, B. Chick, C. Fawn, D. Calf. Answer is option D. Calf.
The young one of fowl is blank. Option is A. Chick, B. Lamb, C. Fawn, D. Chicken. Answer is option A. Chick.
What is the young of kangaroo called? Option is A. Fowl, B. Joey, C. Fawn, D. Kitten. Answer is option B. Joey.
What is a young deer called? Option is A. Lamb, B. Cub, C. Calf, D. Yearling. Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then like the video.
What is the young of horse called? Option is A. Foal, B. Joey, C. Fawn, D. Kitten. Answer is option A. Foal.
What is young lion called? Option is A. Lamb, B. Fawn, C. Cub, D. Kitten. Answer is option C. Cub.
What is a young owl called? Option is A. Lamb, B. Cub, C. Owlet, D. Kid. Answer is option C. Owler. Which animal is coming?
Monkey.
No, it's a gorilla. Did you know, around 1063 gorilla exist in the wild?
The young one of eagle is blank. Option is A. Lamb, B. Peacock, C. Eaglet, D. Fledgling. Answer is option C. Eaglet.
The baby duck is called blank. Option is A. Calf, B. Duckling, C. Chick, D. Foal. Answer is option B. Duckling.
The young one of goat is blank. Option is A. Kid, B. Bunny, C. Foal, D. Cheaper. Answer is option A. Kid.
The baby of a partridge is called blank. Option is A. Calf, B. Chick, C. Foal, D. Cheaper. Answer is option D. Cheaper.
The baby of a goose is called blank. Option is A. Calf, B. Gosling, C. Chick, D. Pup. Answer is option B. Gosling. Did you know, the average age of sheep is about 8 to 12 years?
The baby of a frog is called blank. Option is A. Calf, B. Foal, C. Chick, D. Tadpole. Answer is option D. Tadpole.
The young one of sheep is blank. Option is A. Lamb, B. Cub, C. Fawn, D. Kitten. Answer is option A. Lamb.
What is the young of hen called? Option is A. Foal, B. Pullet, C. Fawn, D. Calf. Answer is option B. Pullet.
The young one of eagle is blank. Option is A. Fry, B. Eaglet, C. Foal, D. Cheaper. Answer is option B. Eaglet.
The young one of pig is blank. Option is A. Kid, B. Bunny, C. Foal, D. Piglet. Answer is option D. Piglet.